Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my video saying we're looking to Bitcoin. So, some of you think, okay, the price is going here to the top side. This was predicted from my side. I said in my old videos we will go to 48,000, 49,000, 50,000, and it is possible that we're going to 33,000 because the 33,000 was the level what we touch here. And you can see that we break here the 33,000 to the top side. Now it's an interesting constellation because many of the people think, okay, this is broken to the top side and we will go to 60,000 to reach these levels. Yeah, they think that we will see something like that. I think we will fall to the downside. So the rising is now happening. And now from this point, I expect that we will go here to the downside. I explain you this regarding the Dow Jones chart. So many of you think, okay, Bitcoin has nothing to do with Dow Jones. But if you look to the chart, then you can recognize very interesting things here. First of all, you see the chart from the Dow Jones beginning at 1920. Yeah, 1920. Over 80 years is here. Yeah, this was the financial crisis 1923. Yeah, and you can see the price is rising to the top side, going here to the downside. We saw here maybe in the 1960, 1970 a crash of the Dow Jones here from 10,000 to 2,500. Yeah, more than 70% is going here to the downside. Now we see as other constellation, we are now at this point. Um, it's relatively easy to understand. This red line is a positive trend line to the top side, and that what we make here at the Dow Jones is we test this level going down, test this level, yeah, and this is a double testing, a double dip testing, and from this point I expect that we will go at the Dow Jones, I would say in direction of 25,000, 20,000, yeah, that the price is coming back. And this is, I think, is the trigger for Bitcoin to come down. Yeah, I think the shock in the markets will also affect also Bitcoin, so that the price will go here to the downside. So now you can see here that we will go more to the downside because this is a rising area over 80 years. I think we will see also a falling area. Yeah, I don't know how long this will take, maybe 10 years, 20 years, but we're coming to the end, and this is clear in my eyes. This is a clear test, the level here. We could also see uh, after the price is going here to the downside that the walls here, other walls from Wall Street, could stretch this year more to the top side to 40,000. Yeah, but finally, no matter if we go here to the downside or stretch this year, they could stretch this year to this level, and then the fall is even harder. Yeah, so if they stretch here to this level this year, then the price will go here more to the downside. And will trigger this fall here, will trigger a Bitcoin that we will go here to the downside. Let's look to Bitcoin price. You can see this is here very important to understand. This is a line. This is a negative trend line. This is the channel. And we are so close here to fall to the downside. Let's look here more in detail. Look, we break the negative trend line here and we are above. Yeah. So from this point it's important. If we go directly to the top side like this, then we could also hit here 57,000 or more, yeah, in direction to 60,000. But in my eyes, this is a dangerous area because we are dancing on the line here. And if you predict here negative, yeah, then you can see that we will maybe turn here to this side. So the prediction is here very um, difficult, but we could here make a prediction um, too, because I think if you look to the constellation here, we have place to fall here in these levels. And important is from this level, if we fall through 53,000, then the price of Bitcoin getting interesting, because then we could make here a retest and then fall to the downside to 42,000. Yeah, this is the negative scenario. If you say okay, we have like the Moon Boys, what they predict here 62,000. If we believe them and say okay, we have energy to go here to the top side, then I would say we have here place to 58,000 or something like that. Let's say, let's see what's the reason that we could not go more to the top side. First, even if we go here to these levels, we have here a strong resistance. I don't think that we could break this so quick to the top side. Yeah, um, it is a little bit different to predict. Yeah, this is clear here because we have so much negative signals here, so that we could go here to the downside. But um, we have also the possibility that we go here to these levels, fall to these levels, yeah, and make this move to the top side. Yeah. And then you can see how much we can reach here, nearly 70,000. But I said this also in the past. Um, this year is not in our hands. The walls could stretch this to the top side. Normally, is after the rising here to the top side, we have to go here to the downside. This is the normal way. Yeah, this is the normal way. And this year is not in our hands. This is in the hand of the walls. Yeah, they have the big money. So I think they could stretch this to the top side, and then the fall is even harder like this year. You can see from 60,000 to 30,000 that we smash down. So for us, it's no matter if we turn from this side or from this side. But um, I can say to you one thing, that we are coming to the end here to fall to the downside. So I'm very excited here about this. Let's see if we fall from this to the downside, then I think more negative energy will come. And if we see that the price is going here to the top side here, 57,000 or something like that, then um, I would prefer, or yeah, I would say that we will see something like that. Have a nice day.